Hey, you stay here. Matthias, not yet, not yet. Auntie put cream. Not yet. Now you see your eyes? Yeah, what's wrong? Come on. You stay here first, not yet finished. Come on. Right, baby. Your body itchy, Yana. Auntie put some cream here. Here. Come on. Here. This one, here, you see? It's red. Keep on scratching since this morning. Ano jacket? Here. Just don't jab, bump your head. Sit down, please. Can you sit down?